Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen gourmet. To elevate your ramen, begin with an exceptional broth. A homemade chicken or pork broth, simmered for several hours, provides unparalleled depth and richness. If using instant ramen, infuse the broth with fresh aromatics such as sliced ginger, minced garlic, and a dash of soy sauce. This simple step transforms a basic base into something truly special, laying the groundwork for a gourmet experience. Next, focus on your noodles and toppings. Select premium fresh or dried ramen noodles, cooking them precisely al dente to maintain a satisfying chew. For protein, thinly sliced chashu pork, marinated chicken, or a perfectly soft-boiled egg with a jammy yolk are excellent choices. Don't forget fresh vegetables like vibrant green onions, crisp bok choy, or earthy mushrooms to add texture, color, and essential nutrients to your gourmet bowl. To truly elevate your ramen, master the art of aromatics and seasonings. Infuse a neutral oil with minced garlic, chili flakes, or ginger for a fragrant drizzle. A splash of high-quality soy sauce or mirin can balance the flavors beautifully. For an incredible umami boost, stir in a spoonful of white or red miso paste. Finally, a few drops of toasted sesame oil just before serving will add a wonderfully nutty aroma and taste. Finally, presentation is key to a gourmet experience. Carefully arrange your cooked noodles, broth, and toppings in a large, deep bowl, ensuring each component is visible and appealing. Garnish with fresh cilantro, a sheet of nori, or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for an extra touch. Serve your masterpiece immediately to savor the perfect temperature and texture of every ingredient. Enjoy your delicious, homemade gourmet ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.